Amanda. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. Hope you're having an awesome day. Thank you for taking a few minutes out of your day to hang out with me. Today we are finally unboxing the box by FASHIONSTA. I'm really excited for this box. I have enjoyed every single box that I've received so far since I've been subscribed to this service. They also have a men's box, which I would love to start for Griffin, but anytime I bought him like a Target beauty box, some of the products would just go to waste. So I figured I don't want $25 to go to waste every single month, but I've been trying to convince him to get it so he can unbox the men's one and I can do the women's one. Smash that like if you should get the men's FASHIONSTA box. I will link my FASHIONSTA playlist for your reference to check out previous unboxings. Please don't forget to subscribe and give this video a like if you enjoy. Let's get into it. New year, new you. 2020, 20% off, use code NEW. And then on the other side, we have the list of the products. And then there's a card in the box that talks about how they help contribute to the Family Crisis Center. So the first product I'm seeing is by the brand Fresh Bombs. This is a CBD bath bomb that retails for $12. This is a tiny bath bomb. I feel like you can go into Lush and get a massive one for $8. And if you cut it in half, you can get 2 uses, which I tend to do to get more bang out of my buck. Wash away the stress of the day in pools of refreshing eucalyptus and mint, which I love the scent of eucalyptus. The graceful combination of Epsom salt and coconut oil dances away aches and dry skin. Meanwhile, wintergreen and peppermint oil quiet your stress. Use 1 bath bomb in a tub of warm water to soothe your body stresses. This sounds like a really nice bath bomb because I have dry skin and stresses. I think I'm just shocked by the size because I have seen bigger bath bombs for a lower price, so to see a smaller bath bomb at a higher price is just a little bit shocking to me, but we'll definitely see how it works out. I have high hopes for it. Next we have by the brand Naturally Vain, the Rosy Cheeks Facial Scrub. This retails for $12. This exfoliating facial cleanser with rose petals gently exfoliates and eliminates dead skin cells. The rosehip seed oil and yang yang essential oils are known for their anti-aging properties. This beautiful creamy texture leaves skin soft and clear and more radiant than ever. I do like rose in my skincare. I grabbed a little too much just to try it. It has like a paste consistency to it. It is a super gentle exfoliator. Oh, it smells good. I wonder if you could just get away with using this as a 2-in-1 of exfoliator and cleanser since it is this gentle. I mean, I know I don't have any water with it right now, but it feels thick on the hands. It felt thick when I was scooping some out. Next we have by the brand Teami. Every box that I've received from FASHIONSTA, there has been a Teami product. I don't really know much about Teami and I haven't tried any of their products in a fair way to really comment on them, but me personally, I'm kind of annoyed. It's like receiving, okay, I don't want to always hate on Wander Beauty because the last few products I received in a subscription box that had Wander Beauty products I really enjoyed, but for a while there I felt like we were seeing a lot of Wander Beauty products, and that was with a bunch of different subscription boxes. But this is a brand where I'm seeing consistently in a box, which I'm sure the products are good. It's just I have no interest in trying this brand, and it sounds like a really good product. This is the Soothe Facial Oil that retails for $40, which I probably could use a product like that in my skincare routine. And although it sounds intriguing, I am going to set this aside for a giveaway. I just don't want it to go to waste, collect dust, get decluttered. I'd rather it go to a loving home to one of you guys. Next, we have this little palette. This is by the brand Crescent Moon, and this is an eyeshadow quad that retails for $45. That's an expensive eyeshadow quad. So this is what the palette looks like. The pans are tiny and you only get 4 shades for $45. A few of these shades actually remind me of the Dominique Celestial Storm palette. So Stargaze, Lucid Dream, Black Matter, and the shade Solstice remind me of this quad. This was just my immediate thought when I opened up this quad. Let's do some swatches. I haven't tried anything by Celestial Moon before. I haven't even heard of it. But everything was super creamy. Calypso, New Moon, Zenith, Ophelia. Ooh, those are stunning. Oh my gosh. These shadows were so creamy and they swatched so smooth. I know that $45 for a quad is a little excessive. It's nice to receive in a subscription box. I kind of want to swatch the Celestial Storm shades next to it for reference. Stargaze, Black Matter, Lucid Dream, Solstice. And those are the comparison swatches. They do look very similar to each other. Let me know in the comments which palette do you think swatch better. Next we have an eyeshadow palette by the brand Cara Beauty. We received an eyeshadow palette from Cara Beauty in the last FASHIONSTA box. And this is what the face palette looks like. It is super stunning, except I'm very concerned about an orange highlighter. Let's do some swatches. And this is the highlighting palette swatched. Overall, I really like these shades with the exception of these two, especially the orange. I don't think I will ever use that shade as a highlighter, maybe as an eyeshadow, but as a highlighter, oof, that looks terrifying. I definitely like these other 4 shades. I think I'll get a lot of use out of the first shade the most. The highlighters did feel super creamy, very similar to the Anastasia Beverly Hills Moonchild palette. Based off the swatches, I would suspect that your cheekbones definitely will be popping. But wait, there's more. And then the last product we have by the brand 1520. This is a sheet mask that retails for $7. 1520 is all about an effective and reliable skincare and beauty regimen that seamlessly fits into your routine. They are dedicated to providing customers with high quality products and unparalleled results. Their customers have fallen in love with their glow and radiance thanks to 1520. Enjoy this face sheet mask from their essentials routine, which includes all natural dried biocellulose. It is the softest material and 4 times stronger than plant cellulose and retains 200 times its dry weight in water, staying moist throughout the entire process. There is pearl extract, rice extract, shea butter extra, macadamia seed oil. What mask may be worn for up to 40 minutes for maximum absorption? I don't know about you. I don't have the patience for that or attention span. I get very fidgety when I wear sheet masks. About 15 minutes is about my max. I try to put on my face, lay down, and read awkwardly. That way the sheet mask stays on my face and doesn't slide down due to gravity from sitting up. I haven't heard of this brand, but it's $7 and I feel that is a fair price for a sheet mask. I don't know if I could survive the whole 40 minutes for maximum absorption. That will definitely be a challenge to do. Overall, I thought it was a pretty good box. I am very excited for this little quad. I do think it is overpriced, but it's swatched so nice and the colors are just so pretty. I definitely think it would be fun to create 4 different looks with a quad. I know that would challenge me. Maybe over, and then crisscross just to see. If you need a quick colorful look, I think this would be a great go-to palette. I haven't tried it on my eyes yet, but based off the swatches, I do have pretty high hopes for this. I also really enjoyed how the Cara Beauty highlighting palette swatched. I really liked these shades right here. I don't think I'm gonna get much use out of these two. I have high hopes that we are going to be beaming to the gods with this palette. Then we also got some skincare items. I definitely am most excited to try this Rosy Cheek Scrub just to see how it cleanses and exfoliates the face. I think it's a decent sized jar. I just have to incorporate it to see. It felt a lot thicker, but it also felt soft enough to maybe use every single day. But I'm also excited for the sheet mask just to see. 40 minutes seems really excessive to get the maximum absorption. In my opinion, I think half of that for 20 minutes would be sufficient, but I think it'd be a fun challenge to try the full 40. Looking at the bath bomb, I feel that it is overpriced, but we'll definitely see how this works out. I will definitely be comparing it to Lush and Fortune Cookie soaps because those are my favorite bath bombs of all time. As I mentioned, I am annoyed continuously seeing this brand in the subscription box. It's nothing against the brand or their products. It's just, we get it. You like to incorporate Teamy. Is it a price value thing? Or are other products really good? I don't know because I haven't tried it. I put every product that I've received in a giveaway. Definitely let me know in the comments below your experience with this brand. I have oils that work out for me right now. I'm just afraid to try it and then it breaks me out, gets decluttered, or just collects dust. So I'd rather it go to one of you guys. Let me know if you guys get the box by FASHIONSTA. Were there other variations? I never know what this box or if everyone receives the same thing. I would love to know your thoughts on the products and how they worked out for you. Do you plan on getting FASHIONSTA in 2020? And if you have the men's subscription, how's your experience with that? Thank you so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed this video and found it useful. Don't forget to subscribe before you leave, and if you don't, thank you for the view anyways, and I'll see you in the next video.